How to make a movie using the Make a Movie application in BrainPOP. There's lots of great little features here. So what I've just done earlier is I've written my own letter, because you know how every BrainPOP movie begins with a letter. I've just written a letter here, and obviously you can change the background for the letter. I just chose that background because it's more interesting, but I can also edit the text if I want by clicking Edit Letter, and I can rephrase my question. Done. Then here along the top you can put all your different scenes, and you can have up to 20 scenes, and then in each scene you can add images, drag images over, or add sounds. You can annotate, which means you can add text. So just one thing to bear in mind with the text cannot be too long, but I'll just put here a title, Democracy Is, and then I can add sounds, so I can use a computer voice or record my own voice. I'll just record my own voice for this one. Democracy is where every citizen can participate in the government. You can record your own definition, and once that's finished processing, I click Save, and if I want, I can listen to it again. So that's all you need to do when you're making your own movie. Another thing to mention is you can change the number of seconds that each scene shows for. So for example, let's say my third scene is talking about ancient Greece and ancient Athens and the democracy system they had there. I would maybe want to change that to a longer amount of time. So let's have that for 15 seconds. Again, I can add in images, make those images bigger. I can add in sounds, I can draw pictures. When you're ready, you can click preview to watch your video back. Now, obviously you'll have many more scenes. You'll have up to 20 scenes, and you'll have had time to really create and make sure your movie is well presented. But anyway, when you're finished, you'll click preview and you can watch your movie back. Now, one thing I would say is, I didn't do it here, but I would record your voice over your letter. Remember, you can do that by clicking Add Sound. And I set this, I think, for 10 seconds. Democracy is where every citizen can participate in the government. Alright, so that's the basics of how you make a movie. And when you've finished making the movie, you click Submit to Teacher. So you're going to make a movie, and that's going to be your digital project.